How to enable and disable profile view on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the footsteps like icon on the top right of your screen beside the share button. You will then be led to the viewer's history page, so go ahead and tap on the gear icon you see there on the top right of your screen. Further, go ahead and disable the toggle button for viewers history if you don't want the profile view history, and toggle on the viewers history toggle button if you want the viewers history. So this is how you can enable and disable profile view on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.